Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you had a problem with Google Chrome that sometimes would display blank pages instead of your favorite tabs, so if you have multiple tabs open, what would happen is that when you would switch between tabs, some of the tabs would be blank. And so this apparently is a issue that was more and more widespread. Now, there's a fix that has been done on the server side. That means that your Google Chrome browser does not have an update. It's on the Google server side that they made some changes, and that should fix the issue. They're saying that the first time you open Chrome, it might display that problem again, but then you shut it down, open it. That will kind of apply that server change that they have done. They were also saying that for some that use a lot of tabs, it might have been one of the causes of high RAM memory usage. So I know some of you are kind of going crazy with Google Chrome using a lot of memory. What I would do is check in the coming days if it's better. They say that part of the problem that made the blank pages also seemed to have kind of made Google Chrome use a lot more RAM than usual. So nothing to do for you. It should, as you open Chrome, close Chrome, open Chrome, apply the changes that the server has, and it's not an update or anything that you'll see within Chrome, and things should be back to normal. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.